What's up? It's your girl KAYLA STAXX back at it again with another video. And today, as you can tell by today's title, I'm doing a Sunday preset. It's currently 3:05. It's Sunday afternoon. To go back to work tomorrow, and then tomorrow is the first day of spring semester, so I have a lot of like getting together to do. Yeah, let's get it together. I've compiled a list of like some stuff that I need. I'm about to go to Walmart and get that done, and I need to get gas desperately. I have 10 miles. Just watch the video, okay? Watch the video. In the planner section, and I don't really see a lot of options here. I know there's more on the other side, so I'm gonna look through these and then see what else I can find. Okay guys, so I found a few things that I like. I got the screen protector for my iPad. I got a 3-subject notebook because classes start tomorrow. Then I got this. I was skeptical about this planner because it ends in June, but so does the semester. It ends in May, but this will be good for like everyday life since I work for the school too. So I just thought this was a better choice. I got this sticker book because look how cute some of these stickers are, y'all. So I had to get it. I got the edge brush, and then I got some makeup remover wipes. So I'm back to look at the candles now because I need some more candles. Okay guys, so I'm back home, and pretty much I got everything out the car like I said I was gonna do. I got all my stuff that was sitting in the car, I put it in my bag. The stuff that I bought yesterday and the stuff that I bought today. Let me give y'all a quick run through of what I got. I work at a school and classes start tomorrow, so we had to get a planner. I really like the way this looks, and it's decorated kind of cute. I'm trying to get out of like the basics, like all the white and the black, because life is more than just that. Got some stickers. I really do think I want to decorate my iPad case. Yeah, I think I'm gonna decorate my iPad case really quickly. I got the candle I love. This is literally my favorite thing, and it's only $3. This was in the clearance section. Y'all didn't see me pick this up, but this is makeup brush and sponge shampoo. I got this 10-pack. I always get these because I don't wear makeup every day anyways. And then I got a new edge brush. Okay, so before I get super tired, I want to go do my nails because all I have to do is like tidy up and change my sheets. This will be the last thing that I need to like get done.
And I know I just turned 18 and I get a little managed. And you see this bandana hanging, that means I'm like a bandit, like a bandit. I got paper girl, the Lamborghini.